that. He keeps going and going and going. He energized their sailplane. That was truly incredible to start above 4,000 feet with no engine, do a complete aerobatic routine, and then land
This has really
exactly
been fun
where
and
he
an honor to
wants.
fly with you today. I hope that you do realize that you can fly. You can be the pilot that you have dreamed of. Being a pilot is not really that hard. If it were, you'd have to get a real job. This is Garrett Willett of Sky Sailing Warner Springs, along with my brother Boyd towing.